Well, let's just say the move to Triumph for Jordan Smith is already looking, one, profitable, and two, comfortable. That's the 24th, I believe, podium of his career, and the first podium for Triumph as a second-year team. So already paying dividends. Yeah, moving him over from Star, right? Yeah, from Yamaha to the team in the highlighter, in the highlighter gear. Uh, Pretty good, especially the fact when you consider he was third, crashed, went down to sixth, and then still came back to finish third in the main. So it showed, one, not only that he was fast, two, that he could get back up and, put in some hot laps and get back up to the podium. He did have a quote saying, "We had a blast, and I mean, the whole team was just stoked afterwards. It was a lot of fun. Everyone's stoked back at the rig. It's part of the draw of coming to Triumph is like kind of be able to hit those milestones for them and be part of that legacy." Now, obviously, he's right. This is a team who's in their second year, so they have no history. They have no, you know, best of, most wins, most podiums. They have none of that stuff. So everything that happens from here forward is, part of that future history. And if he has a great year, if he has a bunch of podiums, wins, whatever, maybe a title, who knows, he would be the first ever to do that for that team. And those kind of things stick. I mean, if you're, we look at Barsha, how long he stuck around with Gas after all the stuff he's done for them, like the first win and whatever. It's, if you're on one of those teams where it's new and you're a new guy, a new team, you're still building into the series, building into racing, it's a good thing, especially for him. It's one of those, hey, this guy helped us do XXX. We should keep him on the team and see if he continued to do more and more and more. If you're it's not one of those big teams where it's like, well, what have you done for me recently? What have you done for me yesterday? It's I can still win. I'm still winning or still proving that I am fast. Obviously not getting a win today, but it showed that he is on that bike competitive, on that team. Uh, it's a cool thing to see. And obviously with Jalik Swole out, with the Achilles injury, he's one of only him and three other people now, right? Yeah, he's the only one racing the West. Am I correct about that? No. Styles Robertson moved over. Jeez, I ignore that part right there. Yeah, Robertson moved over, and then you'll have Faulkner in the East. But it's good for him to prove that for the team, or prove to the team and to himself, I guess, even that moving over to this wasn't a mistake. He's not gonna. Oh well, he's down in 15th. Sucks. We gave him a big contract, and he's not doing anything. It's not very good. Uh, it's good. I mean, obviously, new teams coming in, new factory teams, especially big money, more seats, giving more guys chances at rides with all the trick parts and everything that they need, the training, the trainers, whatever. It's always good. The next few years coming in with like Ducati too, there's more rides for more people. The series is just going to continue to get bigger. With betting coming into it, you're going to have a lot of people looking at it being, what is this? I can put money on it. I might as well watch it. And we'll see where this goes. Obviously, Triumph in their second year, they're still building into this. They're still figuring stuff out. 450 soon, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's gonna be a nice year. I'm excited for it. But you guys tell me, what did you think of A1? Who do you think is going to win the titles for the 450 and the 250? What do you think about everybody switching over to the East now, basically? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.